Hello, once again, we come to custom-made IML systems for special product. You can see here is a very huge IML robot, much higher than the regular one. Yes, it is a custom-made IML robot, specially designed for the production of a bucket. You can see the magazine is really big, and the robot is very huge. And also you can see here, it is a very complex unit. Now let's disclose, and maybe you can see it is two IML system for two cavities bucket, but it is also different because the picking unit layer is much more complex. What is this system for? Now let's disclose here. It is for the production of a bucket like this, with a handle. I think in the food industry, food package producers, this bucket is very familiar to you. It can be the bucket for milk, and also can be a bucket for some snacks like chocolate. It is very popular for as the container of chocolate now in China. You can see here, this the lower arm. It is very unique. Is here come here. For this part of the ERAC design, you can see here is for the part picking, and this part it is for the picking of the handle here. So I think everybody knows that for this system, the mold is custom made. It's a special mold, which will have the bucket and the handle to be packed into one single mold. So with this mold, you will have the handle and the bucket to be injection product all together. So with this rubber, you will get a handle assembled IML bucket in one cycle. It is really efficient and the most economical way to produce this kind of bucket. If you like it, just feel free to contact SWITEK. See you.